Is coaching for me? Can I learn coaching? Is it a good investment to be an ICF Certified Coach? Why should one opt for an ICF Coach certification?
How to become an ICF Certified Coach with Matrrix. Life would have been amazing if there could have been overnight fix to all our problems, be it personal or professional. But believe me, there is no magical wand. But coaching can be one of the most powerful tools to create a more productive and more effective version of yourself.
In fact, coaching has become a new language for today's leaders, for managing different generations, for creating an engaging work environment, fostering behavioral and cultural changes, and indeed, creating an empowered workforce. Well, I'm Dr. Paris. I'm a master trainer at Matrrix and MCC from ICF.
Hi everyone, my name is Ekktaa. I'm training director at Matrrix and an MCC with ICF. And we are here today to discuss about how to become an ICF Certified Coach with Matrrix.
And also create a sustainable, fulfilling, and wholesome career in coaching. But the foundational question that everyone has been asking me today is coaching for me? Can I learn coaching? Is it a good investment to be an ICF Certified Coach?
So when I decided to offer my coach certification program, I had similar questions back of my mind. And the clarity that I sought was, if you're someone who seeks happiness when other people grow, then I would say coaching is definitely for you. If you're someone who is willing to invest in yourself, to acquire those knowledge and skills, and then further leverage those skills for other people's benefit, then I would say coaching is definitely for you. And if you're someone who loves a job that involves freedom and flexibility of time, then I would say coaching is one of the most valued professions for you.
Absolutely. Anyone, everyone on this planet can learn to become a coach. As long as you have that inner voice that drives you to empower people. You may like to play the role of a catalyst to witness change in your client's universe. Or you may like to partner with your client's success journey. Well, the coaching profession is only meant for you. You may be working in a corporate as an SMA, or an internal trainer or coach or mentor, or a manager or a senior leader holding many responsibilities. Learning Coach Certification Program can help you to enhance your leadership and coaching competencies, creating a coaching culture in your organization, which is based on strength building, which unlock talents and human potentials. So does this thought resonate to you? Is coaching your inner calling? Then learning with Matrrix should be your first choice.
Well, absolutely. I would say there's so many institutes that provide coach certification program, but it is very, very important to check if those programs are accredited by ICF.
So it's very important to understand, why should one opt for an ICF Coach certification?
ICF, that is International Coaching Federation, is a leading global organization in the field of coaching, and it has been here for more than 25 years. ICF is dedicated to set high standards for coaches. It provides individual certification and builds a network of trained coaching professionals across the globe.
That means credibility and authenticity is very important for you when you plan for your coaching journey, isn't it?
Well, now let's understand, how are these two institutes, that is ICF and Matrrix, how are they related?
Matrrix is called as a certification body, while ICF is called as a credentialing body. Let's say you complete a certification program from us, you become a global ICF certified coach. And once you're ready to meet the requirements for your credentialing process, you may further apply to ICF for your ACC PCC or MCC credentials. You may be wondering what are these credentials stands for. So ACC stands for Associate Certified Coach, PCC stands for Professional Certified Coach, and MCC stands for Master Certified Coach. Remember, Matrrix is accredited by ICF. So we run various certification programs which are accredited by ICF. One of our programs is called Mindfulness Practitioner Trainer Level 1 and Life Coach Certification. It's a dual coach certification program where you learn 30 hours of program where you learn about coaching and how mindfulness blends with coaching. Our next program is called as BAC, which is called Become an Associate Coach. Now it's a 60-hour training program which covers the basic nuances of coaching, of what is coaching, how coaching is different from training, mentoring, therapy, counseling, and much more. You also learn the ICF 8 core competencies, and further you may become eligible to apply to ICF for your ACC credential. Remember, ACC stands for Associate Certified Coach.
Well, our next program is BPC, that is Become a Professional Coach. If you're someone who is looking at learning all the nuances of coaching, then this 125-hour program is definitely for you. But post completion of this program, you may be eligible to apply as PCC with ICF. Our next program is BMC, that is Become a Master Coach. It's a 75 hours mastery program that lets you deep dive into the field of coaching. And once you complete the 75 hours of training module, you may be eligible to apply as MCC with ICF. Well, all the programs, that is BAC, BPC and BMC, they all include 10 hours of mentoring with Matrrix. So now, let's go ahead and explore. Why would you like to learn with us at Matrrix?
Well, it's a $1 million question of why learn with Matrrix. There are many benefits learning with us. Benefit 1, our programs are highly experiential and holistic in nature. Benefit 2, as our programs are highly experiential, you will have a lot of unlearning moments in your life. Benefit 3, in case if you miss any sessions, we provide you a recording where you can share your reflections and get going with your coaching journey. Benefit 4 is very important. Our programs are a blend of psychology, spirituality, mindfulness, philosophy, NLP, that's called Neuro-Linguistic Programming. Our coaches get well equipped with different tools, techniques, models, frameworks that helps them to kickstart their coaching journey successfully. As I said, our programs are holistic in nature. You can practice your coaching in different niche, whether life coach, executive coach, business coach, relationship coach, emotional coach, spiritual coach, and much more.
Well, we value your journey and your time. And we know it demands individual attention. And that's why we generally have small batch sizes. We at Matrrix, we provide you lifetime access to a learning management system. Yes, you heard it right. It's lifetime access. So whenever you want to come back and revisit your coaching lessons, you can. And yes, you would be getting ongoing support at Matrrix in your coaching journey.
You can also connect with like-minded people at Matrrix community. You get also opportunity to be a part of our panel discussions, webinars, and get access to many psychometric assessments only for our learners.
So what's stopping you? Kickstart your coaching journey with Matrrix.
Join Matrrix today and get ready to inspire, empower, and transform lives of people.
I'll see you in the classroom.
Namaste.
Namaste.